How to add a LinkedIn headline to your profile. If you want to learn, then watch this video till the end. Assalamu alaikum, I'm Ishtiaq Khan and I welcome you to my YouTube channel Grow with Ishtiaq Khan. In the previous video, we had learned about the most perfect formula to write a LinkedIn headline, that is the 3T's formula. If you had not watched that video, then you can find the link in the description. In this video, we are going to learn about that how you can add a LinkedIn headline to your profile. So we will go into the LinkedIn live environment and we'll learn there that how we can add the LinkedIn headline to our profile. So going to the screen. So first of all, go to your profile and click on here this pencil icon, pencil type icon, and click on the edit here. Upon clicking on this, then your profile, you can edit your profile and then scroll here, and here is your headline. Then you can edit your headline here and you can write within 120 character limit. You need to follow the 3T's formula to write your tagline, your talent, and your target. And you can write each and everything like I showed you all the examples that how you need to write a great LinkedIn headline. So follow these examples and craft your own LinkedIn headline. So after writing a LinkedIn headline, you need to save it, and after saving it, then your LinkedIn headline will appear here. So that's all about that how you can write a LinkedIn headline in your profile. Now in the next video, we are going to learn about some of the big mistakes that many LinkedIn members are making while writing their LinkedIn headlines. Now if you had liked this video, then share it with your friends and colleagues. Also, if you had still not subscribed to my YouTube channel, then do not forget to subscribe and also press the bell icon to get notified of all the videos that I'm posting on this platform. Also follow Startivation on Facebook, on Instagram, and on LinkedIn. So thank you for watching and stay tuned.